Hello. For this week, we're going to be talking about simultaneous equation, and I know definitely you want to ask why. And from the previous question we solved on our SAT question, a lot of our students sent us messages, some emails, and request us in solving more of simultaneous equation that they've been finding difficult in understanding, or also doing it when they have it, when they face or see it in any of their exams. So, and that's why we say, okay, we're going to try to do more of simultaneous equation. And for this one, we'll be solving it with elimination method. Don't worry, we're going to solve another one with substitution method. And how do we go by this? When we say about elimination method, I just wanted to, listen carefully with me how I'm going to go ahead. And I'm going to try to simplify it to the level you're going to understand on how to solve simultaneous elimination method when you come across it in your exam. Very simple. What do you do from here? Now you need to understand that this is what? Equation 1, and this is what? Equation 2. Now, for the elimination method, we want to try to eliminate one of the variables out, and then we get one of them, and then also once we get one of them, we substitute back also in either equation 1 or 2 to get the second word variables. Fine. Now, what do you do in the elimination method? You're going to take what? The coefficients of x in equation 2 to multiply what? All you have for what? Equation 1. And then take the coefficient of what? Of x in equation 1 to multiply everything you have in equation 2. Now we go. So this times this will give us what? 8x. 4 times will give us what? 16y. And then 4 times 14 will give us what? 56. (56). 2 times 4 will give us what? 8x. 2 times minus 4y will give us what? Minus what? 8y. And then this one will give us what? 8. So there we go. Now, if you see this now, we already have what? For x, we have the same thing. So what will you do in here? You will do what we call, you eliminate what? X, since we have what? X to have the same what? Coefficient. And how do you do that? By what? Subtracting. And then, let's go. So 8 minus 8 will give us what? 0. That's gone. Then also, plus 16y minus 8y. So remember, what would that give us? That will give us what? That will give us negative times negative will give us positive. When you add that together, you have what? 24y. And then for this, what do you have? If you add this together, if you do this, you have what? 48. So what do you go? Let's go ahead. So now we'll divide both sides by what? By 24. So 24 will cancel this. So y is equals to what? This will cancel this. Will give us what? 2. So that means our y is 2. So since y is equals to what? 2, you sub it into, you sub it either equation 1 or 2. So let's go. So let's use any of the equation. We can use equation 2. So we have what? 4x minus 4y equals to 4. That is what? Equation 2. Remember, our what? Y is what? Y is what? 2. So we have 4x negative 4 into what? 2 equals to what? 4. So that will give us what? 4x negative what? 8 equals to 4. So now, what do? We need to what? Collect our like terms. When you collect your like terms, this will come here. So you have what? 4x equals to what? 4 plus 8. So 4x equals to what? If you add that together, that will give us what? 12. So what do? We want to make s the formula. So we have what? Divided by 4. Cancel. So x is equals to what? 3. So that means what? X equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Take note, we can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. So that means we just have to what? Substitute them into any of the equations. So let's do that to see whether we're going to have what? The equal sign. So you have what? 2 is what? 3 plus this is what? 2. And then they say equals to 14. So if you do this one, 6 plus 8. So that means 14 equals to what? 14. That means we are right. So that is all about what? Elimination method. You can still what? Check to us, contact us, sign up for our tutorial classes to get more, to get more understanding on any of the topic you want to know. We are definitely ready to explain and to teach you all this. Thank you very much. We'll see you in our next class. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube. Switch on your notification to get next on anything we do. If you look for our YouTube, just Banky Edu. Banky Edu. That is what our YouTube name. Thank you very much.